Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to withdraw a job application on LinkedIn. Whether you have changed your mind about a specific role or decided to pursue different career paths, knowing how to handle your applications on this platform is a very practical skill. Let's begin the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by entering linkedin.com into the address bar. When the page finishes loading, you will need to sign in. For a quicker experience, you can use your Google or Microsoft account, or simply provide your email address and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, make sure to verify your identity using the code sent to your phone. This is a vital step to keep your account protected from any unauthorized access. Once you have successfully logged in, go to the LinkedIn homepage and find the Jobs tab, which is typically located at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open the job search platform where you can oversee all your professional activities. Within the Jobs section, look for the option labeled Manage Applications. This specific tool serves as your portal for reviewing every job submission you have made through LinkedIn. After you enter the Manage Applications area, a list of your recent submissions will appear. Scroll through this list to find the exact job application you want to retract. Take a moment to ensure you are picking the right one, as withdrawing an application cannot always be reversed and might influence your future interactions with that company. When you have found the application you no longer want to pursue, click the Withdraw button or link associated with that specific listing. Selecting this will trigger LinkedIn to start the withdrawal process. This is usually a very simple step, but remember to read any confirmation messages carefully to verify your choice. After the withdrawal is complete, LinkedIn might take you back to the main job search interface. From here, you can continue looking for other roles if you wish. You can easily return to your search by clicking the job search link. This ensures that even though you have moved on from one role, you can still find others that fit your goals. And that is it. Withdrawing an application on LinkedIn is a straightforward task that helps you stay organized. Always consider your applications carefully and only withdraw when it is truly necessary. Thank you for watching. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Good luck with your job hunting.